Is the saddest thing a young child has told you about their parents? 1. A little boy I taught once burst into tears at school and disclosed that their TV was broken. After a bit of sympathy, he let slip that the TV got broken because his dad smashed it up after a few beers, and he was scared when his dad also hit his pregnant mom and left her crying on the kitchen floor after hitting her. Another told me, with wide open arms, that his social worker told a stack of lies that big about his parents in court, and that's why he was put into foster care. Different care to most of his many siblings, as they couldn't foster 7 together. 2. When our daughter was younger, she had elementary school friends over on her birthday for a weekend sleepover. As the girls were leaving the next morning, one of the girls came up to me and asked if I could watch her the rest of Saturday. I asked her where her parents were, and she said my mom was killed in a drive-by shooting when I was a baby. My dad is in prison. I have to wait until my grandmother gets off from work. It broke my heart. So we spend the rest of the day baking cookies and trying to do normal family things. 3. Many years ago, my daughter, her husband, and 4-year-old son moved in with me. The first night they were there, my grandson started going to all the doors and windows to make sure they were locked before